Race directors and club managers use LocalRaces.com for simple, beautifully designed online event hosting and registration. But what makes our products different? First, our secure online registration payment processing includes your very own merchant account, so you can accept credit cards and receive daily electronic settlement payments directly into your bank. So no more waiting weeks for paper checks from your current online payment processor. Next, we offer a simple, elegant event management dashboard that goes beyond registrant management and revenue reporting. In addition, we offer event sponsorship payment processing and management, so sponsors can select a level, pay online, and upload their company logos. Volunteer sign-up and assignment management. Event vendor management, including shirts, awards, and ship timing. That's right, you can stop manually counting shirts by size with our one-click current shirt count. And you can place your shirt orders using our projected shirt count calculator. And for clubs, we offer new member and renewal payment processing and member management. You also receive free profile pages for your organization and for each event. These profile pages include effortless content management, including your own cover and profile photos, upcoming race event listings with registration links, a recent events section with race results and event photo links, and your profile pages are responsibly designed so they look great on smartphones and tablets. Your organization and events will also be featured in hundreds of race event search engines and local directories powered by LocalRaces.com, where endurance athletes from all across America sign up for events and join local clubs. Go to LocalRaces.com and sign up for your free account today.